I'm going to be doing something that I've never done before. I want to try to create a small animation that is entirely drawn in charcoal. I'm also going to draw all of the frames onto this single sheet of charcoal paper. The idea is that once all the frames are drawn out, the entire collection will look like it's all part of one piece. I'm hoping that I'll be able to create everything within 3 videos, but art is a process and things could potentially take longer. I have 3 main steps in creating this piece, and the first step is to create all of the frames. So I was able to start drawing right away, but unfortunately I wasn't really liking any of the ideas I was coming up with, and this led to thinking and thinking and more thinking, until finally I had an idea. And now that I had a design that I liked, it was time to start animating. I think it also should be noted that I have very little experience animating and that this is very new to me. Eventually, after hours and hours of animating, I finally got this. A really rough animation. This took way longer than I was expecting it to take. Props to animators. I'm gonna go throw these in the grid now and see what that looks like. Okay, that's looking pretty good to me. This was a pretty long process, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. In the next video, I'm gonna start tracing it out onto charcoal paper, so thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you like it, and I'll see you all next time.